Oh guys, I don't feel too great. I'm having a bit of a sugar crash as I just finished eating a huge piece of New York cheesecake with strawberry topping from Starbucks, and I've got my ice Americano as always. But in today's video, I'm planning to be a little bit more sporty. I'm planning to like go buy a basketball. I had a basketball before, but I don't know what happened to it. I've somehow misplaced it somewhere, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna buy a ball from Landers or if I'm gonna buy a ball from SNR. And then I'm gonna go to one of the basketball courts around this area, one uptown, and then there's like a couple as you go towards Guadalupe. But I just need to wait for this sugar crash to subside because I ain't feeling great right now. Thank you. You know, Landers recently had a sale a couple days ago. I'm not sure if that sale is still on and if the items are still at a discounted price. Let me see if they are. Oh look, 50% off membership. Look at that. Oh, here we are. Spalding. Oh yes, I used to use one of these. Actually, this is kind of like the ball I had earlier. It was this sort of material. I don't think it is rubber. Maybe it is rubber. I don't know. It was grey and black, and here it's at 1,100 pesos. I'm gonna put this basketball back because I think SNR has better balls, so I'm gonna go check quickly over there. Yeah, this is what I'm talking about. A molten leather basketball, FIBA approved. My goodness. It says 749 pesos, but that's not for this particular ball. That's for a Spalding basketball. You can see that? And I think they're referring to this one, something similar to what we saw in Landers. You see that? It's kind of got like this sort of rubbery feel, which, I don't know, it's just very different to a leather ball. I'm not sure if the weight is the same either. I don't think it is. The rubber ball has a lot more grip. The leather ball just feels a lot smoother, better to play with. Feels like more of an authentic ball. But how much is this? Oh, okay, I just noticed the price. The price is 2,779 pesos. We're looking around about how much is that? Maybe almost like 50 to 60 USD for a basketball. But damn, is it good? We've also got a white Spalding volleyball, which rather than playing volleyball with, I like to do kick-ups with. And it looks like somebody's got this volleyball caught up on the basketball hoop over there. Let's see if I can free that ball up. Oi! I've done it. Man, how much is this?
7.
Alright, I've made it to Toby's because this is a store that offers a wide range of different basketballs, and I think I can get a more updated FIBA molten basketball from here with like the Philippine flag on it. It's here on the second floor, and they have a shooting range here. Shooting range? Would you call this a shooting range? But anyway, they got a basketball hoop with one of those machines that throws the basketball at you. Oh, look at that. This is a rubber. Bro, why is Taylor Swift playing everywhere in BGC these days? I just can't get away from this girl. Are you seeing that? So in SNR it was 2,700. Here in Toby's it's 2,100. Yeah, where's the one with the Philippine flag on it? Oh, I think they've taken it off. Looks like they don't have any more. Oh, maybe this was the ball that I saw in Landers. I mean SNR. Where's the one with the Philippine flag? Oh, out of stock. Alrighty, I got a molten basketball from Toby's. I actually got the BG 4000, not the 4500, because they only had the 4000 in stock. I didn't really want to get a display unit that had been like used and bounced around and that had been sitting on a shelf for like, I don't know, months on end. Because it even looked discolored when I compared the 4000 basketball to the brand new one that's wrapped around in this plastic packaging. So yeah, time to go play a little bit of ball. Alright, now we've made it to Uptown again. Now let's go check if the basketball court on the 36th floor of one Uptown residences is free. these basketball courts are they get pretty hot and stuffy because there's not really a lot of good airflow here, but all these windows are open, the door over there is open. I'm gonna also open the door to the garden on this side too, such that we get optimum airflow coming in through here to keep it cool. And I'm gonna be testing out my basketball, which I just purchased not too long ago. Here we are, first bounce, people. This ball feels so good in your hand. And you know what? I was so pumped. I was so looking forward to throwing some hoops down that I didn't even bother to change. I'm just in my usual regular clothes. Let me just open this door like that. Oh yeah. How do I keep this open? Do I swing this open like that? I think I need to keep something. Does this one open too? Yeah, I think it does. There we are. Okay, that one stays open like that, and this one doesn't. This one wants to close. Okay, cool. Perfect. Oh, it's so crazy. First one of the day. Okay, so the last time I threw a few hoops down was probably over 6 months ago since I last played. And what I usually like to do is to get kind of like my shooting back on point. I like to come under the net like this, and I like to practice on my backspin. You see that? I try and do those 10 in a row, 20 in a row, just to get myself used to shooting the ball again. This tremendously helps with accuracy, understanding the weight of the ball, and just focusing on your backspin, because backspin is super important when shooting. It gives you that arch in your shot, and it also helps the ball, even if it like touches the rim or the backboard, it helps the ball go in the hoop. And I like to usually do it one-handed as well. No two hands, just one hand. See, I missed that one, and so I would reset until I get 10 in a row. Now, a little bit of story time. When I was in secondary school, as in the ages between 11 and 16, I played for my school team. And because I was quite a tall child, even back in secondary school, I was probably one of the tallest kids out of 300 or 400 students. And because I was so tall, my basketball coach used to want me to play in center, but center wasn't somewhere I shined. I like to shoot more, I like to play the ball more. And rather than my coach focusing on our individual skills and making our skills shine and focusing on our strengths, what he would do is he would just place people in different positions based on, I guess, physical capabilities. And it's just, I think had our team been organized, I think we would have won the barangay championships, essentially. Alright folks, we shot some hoops earlier in the condominium behind me, and about an hour to 2 hours has lapsed, and I need to get myself something to eat before I hit the gym, and then also meet my friend later on today before he goes back to his country because he's leaving the PH, and I don't know how long he's going to be out for. Now before I work out, I would like to get something of high nutritional value but not so heavy on the stomach. And I guess the high nutritional food that I've gone with is this right here. Marinated prawn with some pork and rice on the side. Plenty of protein, plenty of carbs, and time to dig in. Alrighty folks, it's been about an hour since I last ate and I'm at the paddle. And I'm going to be benching 30 kilos on both sides. I haven't done that before, but I think I can manage the weight. I should probably get about 4 or 5 in. Anyway, let's get it. Okay, I got 3 reps in rather than the 4 to 6 rep range that I thought I might have hit. I could have probably pushed another one, but I don't have a spotter and I don't want to fail. Maybe on the next set I might be able to hit maybe 4 or 5 reps. Let's see. That was kind of like my warm-up set. Three sets again. I'm really worried about getting that 4th one in. I feel like on my 4th one I might possibly get that last rep in, but I either damage myself or maybe fail. I'm gonna drop the weight for now and then hit the 5 to 7 rep range, right? Now, the way I'm training is I'm pretty much hitting upper body, like everything I can on the upper body every time I come here. And now I know that's not the optimum way to train, but I think it's a great way to get back into training, because if you start hitting like chest and triceps, then you're going to feel a lot more pain and a lot more tear in those areas. And you're probably going to be out the gym for like 5 to 6 days, maybe even a week before those muscle groups repair. But if you hit the entire upper body at once, you're reducing the amount of tears on one particular group of muscles compared to when you're diversifying that energy across the entire upper body. And so that means you're going to hit the gym a lot more and feel a lot more fresh. And I'm going to keep this routine up for like a month, and then after about a month I'm going to start categorizing my workouts, like chest and triceps, back and biceps, then lower legs, and so on and so forth, and then go through a cycle like that. Okay, I'm now going to move over onto back, and I think I've got a new strategy when it comes to working out my back. I'm pretty shit at pull-ups, and so I'm going to try and stack as many plates as I possibly can on the pull-down machine, so I can I think I can incrementally get better at maybe possibly doing a few more pull-ups. So I currently have no idea what that is, but let's see if I can do it or not. Drink some Gatorade before I start pumping this weight. Feeling it? Huh? You're feeling it or what? I'm just getting tired. Drop the weight down once more. Well folks, we've had one jam-packed day today and I'm feeling pretty tired, a little bit sore. I do feel like I need to get a massage tomorrow. But anyway, if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like today's video, and share it with friends and family. And I will see you in the next video here on the channel. Many thanks for watching, guys. Take care, and bye for now.